Hello, welcome to Little Rose Garden Book Studio on the day featuring the first ever release under Little Rose Garden Books publishers, which is super exciting. But first, just to say, this is the channel to subscribe to if you want to be kept up to date with all the exciting creative makes and bakes, comedy sketches, and later on in the series, later on this year, and possibly even into 2023, as the new releases come out from Little Rose Garden Books that are to do with the Georgian Regency period, we'll be delving more in that direction and having absolutely loads of bags and bags of fun. So for today, our book released, the first ever book released under Little Rose Garden Books, Popcorn, a sweet and savoury menu. First of all, do you realise how nutritious popcorn is? Antioxidants, it's nutrients, vitamins, high in fibre, which means that you feel full up in a light way. This is what I found anyway, and I loved it. So what's exciting? Yes, there's party bites. Yes, there's a lighter option. Yes, there's snacks, and there's savoury and sweet options and party things. But most of all, what most excites me is the fact that there's meals. There's meals where the popcorn replaces the rice or the potatoes. So it opens a whole smorgasbord of delicious options for lunch or dinner, or entertaining. So hit the subscribe button below if you want to be kept up to date on. Do let me know what you think, and I'm hoping this book will inspire you too with your own popcorn ideas. Meanwhile, thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.